morning, everybody. Welcome to another day of Mark Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, and it's March 6th. Hope you guys have a wonderful day so far today. We will jump right into it. We just got the one economic news release, and that is the factory orders for the month of January. So as you can see, we had a pretty decent month in December. It was up. January was supposed to dip down, go down 1.4%. It came in right at expectations that it did dip 1.4%. Moving on, we got the headline news. Stock market was up earlier today, but since I've kind of put this together, actually it is now going negative. So the Nasdaq was up about hundreds in the morning, and now it's down to about five, and then whatchamacallit, the Dow is now down around 90 so far this morning. So it's been kind of teetering back and forth. Now, what brought in the positive territory is a couple of different things. Yesterday it was down and then it went positive, and the Dow was even up, I think, over 300 after close. So it's this: we got North and South Korea are scheduling our meeting, which hasn't been done in like over a decade. It sounds like there's some possibility of reconciling and maybe having some peace in that area. So this is kind of important. Investors feeling optimistic about the prospect of it. Again, this isn't anything guaranteed. Nothing's been finalized, but as of right now, it sounds like there's some open dialogue going on, and hopefully things can move towards a peaceful solution here. Also on here is the tariffs. There's been a couple, as we talked about last week. President Trump announced 25% tariffs on steel, 10% on aluminum, and he got a lot of pullback. It kind of spooked the markets, figuring that it could create a global war. So as a result, we're also seeing some of the top Republicans in Congress are kind of giving a little pushback to President Trump's, basically saying they're giving a little pushback on that. So with that he doesn't have the full support, investors are feeling a little bit more comfortable that maybe this may not go through. But also on the other hand, President Trump has mentioned that perhaps this could be something as a negotiating ploy with working with Canada and Mexico and creating a new NAFTA that would be a little bit more beneficial for hopefully all parties, not just unfortunate to the others. It doesn't seem like it's been real beneficial for the U.S. in this agreement. So I think it's possible another tactic for a renegotiation, and may be able to give some relief in that regard towards those partners if we recreate a new NAFTA agreement here. So how is this affecting the bond market? Bond market currently is about zero. We were down earlier in the day, so we were actually a negative. Earlier in the day, we actually went up. At one point, I saw up 8 basis points. So basically now we are at even. So we're at zero, where there's no change from where we left off yesterday. And here's the 25-day moving average. As you see, it keeps going lower. It's been a tough resistance for us, but right now we're kind of a little ways off from that. On the other hand, we got the 10-year Treasury. We're down a little bit from yesterday, so we're down to about 2.87 so far this morning, and the 10-year 25-day moving average has been a nice floor of support for it, so it works the opposite direction as what the mortgage-backed securities have been showing. All right, so basically rates are no different from where we left off yesterday. So that's the main thing you can take from this. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. If you guys want to stay tuned and check out Twitter, you can find me at Mike Bjork on Twitter. I do post updates here and there throughout the day, how the market is reacting and such. So if you want those, especially in these volatile times, it could be a good place to follow updated news here. Again, you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.